Hello, my name is Chu. I am a PhD student from the University of Washington. On behalf of my co-authors, I would like to present our paper, I Never Realized Sidewalks Were a Big Deal, a case study of a community-driven sidewalk audit using Project Sidewalk. Despite decades of regulatory efforts to make sidewalks more accessible, challenges persist in many U.S. cities. In this paper, we present a case study of a community-driven sidewalk audit in Oradell, New Jersey, using a crowdsourcing tool called Project Sidewalk. Project Sidewalk is a crowdsourcing platform that allows online users to label sidewalk conditions and identify accessibility issues through streetscape imagery. For each accessibility label, the platform collects information including the label type, a severity score of the problem, relevant tags, and optional descriptive text. This 18-month collaborative effort involved local advocates, Girl Scout members, the Project Sidewalk research team, and city officials, resulting in a Girl Scout-led presentation to the City Council. In total, 81 volunteers contributed to the mapping effort, providing 12,000 labels covering 36 miles of streets. Following the deployment study, we conducted interviews with 19 key stakeholders, including disability advocates, Girl Scouts and their parents, medical professionals, and other community members. Our findings demonstrated that participating in disability-oriented community science activities leads to attitudinal shifts and knowledge gains. Also, emergent digital tools can aid urban accessibility advocacy and enhance civic engagement. In addition, we synthesized key implications for future projects regarding the deployment of digital civic tools and collaboration with communities. From the interviews, we identified attitudinal and behavioral changes in participants and noted an increase in their awareness of civic responsibility and social advocacy. For example, participants expressed that after they participated in the project, they are more mindful of things like returning shopping carts so they do not become obstacles for wheelchair users. Through their participation, participants developed a stronger sense of civic responsibility, a broader awareness of the challenges facing their community, and their role in effecting positive change. One of the Girl Scouts said, and I quote here, "Our goal isn't just to fix sidewalks, but to address every obstacle that stood in the way of making our community a better place." We also observed scientific and civic-related skill development amongst participants, especially the Girl Scouts, including scientific inquiry and data analysis, storytelling and public speaking, understanding real-world constraints, and collaborative interactions in civic engagement. Finally, we reflect on how digital civic tools help support education and facilitate advocacy. We summarized the benefits and limitations of Project Sidewalk and identified 3 key motivators for sustaining engagement: a sense of empowerment and accomplishment, socialization amongst community members and friends, and overall enjoyment. And we came to the conclusion that the effective use of digital civic tools requires not only a well-designed platform, but also comprehensive tutorials, technical support, and guidance to help community members interpret and visualize the data. Please check out our paper for more details.